I'm willing to bet your favorite e-commerce gurus are probably teaching you to find products to sell on Alibaba or AliExpress. My name is Johan. I started an e-commerce business without going to Alibaba or AliExpress or have my product manufactured in China. In this video, I'm going to tell you my secret to find manufacturers from every corner of the world. So, quick background story. During the pandemic, I'm sure you guys remember this, there were talks on the news about supply chain disruptions. And during that time, I asked myself a question, and that question is, what happened if we don't have China to manufacture our stuff? I knew other countries have manufacturing industries and factories, but at the time I have no idea where and how to find them. Now, I'm not sure how I thought about this, but I started looking for these manufacturers on Facebook. At first, I was looking for Indonesian manufacturers on Facebook. Then I went down this rabbit hole and I discovered manufacturers, factories, and cottage industries from all around the world on Facebook. And don't let language barriers stop you from finding manufacturers on there, because I purchased some products from a crafter in Mexico and she spoke zero English. And the way I was able to do that is I use my iPhone translator. So don't let language barrier be an issue. And another thing that I want to say about this, you do find Chinese manufacturers on Facebook, because Chinese manufacturers, they want to find customers from other countries as well. So you do see them on Facebook. Facebook has 1.9 billion daily active users in Q3 of 2022. That's about a quarter of world population. That's a lot of people. And to put that in perspective, I'm willing to bet if the shirt that you're wearing right now is not made in China, I'm willing to bet there are people on Facebook who work on your shirt. You know, I interact with a lot of Facebook manufacturers, and you might be surprised by this, but when I interact with them, I would ask them if they sell their products on Amazon or Etsy or eBay. And majority of them have no idea what those websites are. I find it very interesting. I'm sure a lot of you guys have thought about starting an online business, but then you were intimidated by the minimum order quantity of these manufacturers, so you delay your entrepreneurial journey. I want to tell you guys a good news. Based on my experience, Facebook manufacturers have much lower minimum order quantity than Alibaba manufacturers. This is how I was able to start with $300. I'm gonna give you guys a quick summary of the business that I started with $300. I found the product that I want to make, and I got connected with a leathersmith in Indonesia from a Facebook group. Then I messaged him and I told him what I wanted to make. I showed him the pattern and I negotiated the price with him and eventually placed the order. I will get into the details on the next video, so if you are interested, please do subscribe and like the video. So I want to talk about why I started this channel. Besides my fascination for cool products that people around the world are making, I started this channel because I couldn't find any resources online about finding manufacturers in different parts of the world. So if you're interested in entrepreneurship, starting a small business, and even interested in what people in other parts of the world are making and selling, please subscribe to this channel. I will come out with a new video next week explaining the business that I started. We'll get into details. And yeah, and that's it from me, and see you guys next week. Thank you for watching.